Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 12:40 in Honolulu, 5:40 in New York on Wednesday, 15th day of January 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices surged after the release of the December Consumer Price Index report today. The report revealed that inflation rose by 0.4% in December, exceeding both November's 0.3% increase and estimates of 0.3%. Annual inflation stood at 2.9% before seasonal adjustments, and the core CPI showed a 3.2% annual increase, slightly below expectations. According to the head of fixed income client portfolio management at Goldman Sachs, while today's release is likely insufficient to put the January rate cut back on the table, it strengthens the case that the Fed's cutting cycle has not yet run its course. Today's report resulted in strong gains for gold, with the most active February contract up $29.50, a net gain of 1.1%, taking a troy ounce to $2,723.60. Currently, it is trading in Australia up 80 cents, taking a troy ounce to $2,723.30. Today's gains took gold pricing back above the upper level resistance line drawn from a series of lower highs that occurred following October's record high above $2,800. If you recall, last Friday, gold flirted with this resistance line, but then sold back off on Monday. It began its recovery yesterday, and today's gains clearly put gold above this key and critical trend line. Follow-through buying through the rest of this week would confirm that the correction that began following the all-time record high at the end of October down to the lows in the middle of December, just below 2,600, completed an A, B, C correction. If that is correct, the lows that we saw in the middle of December at $2,600 was the beginning of the first of 5 waves. Our wave 1 that will be followed by our 5 count, waves 1 through 5. I believe that at the conclusion of this new impulse or motive phase, gold will be sitting well above $3,000 and most likely accomplish that by the second quarter, the first half of this year.
Silver scored a phenomenal gain today, gaining almost 4%, and most importantly, breaking above all 3 major moving averages: the 200-day, the 50-day, and the 100-day moving average. The last time silver was above all these 3 moving averages was in December, when it was at $32.80. This puts silver in a good position to continue its ascent. This gives us further confidence that the next motive phase in silver will be a bullish one that will take us to prices not seen for over 10 years.
This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.